Tonight we're going to do a cold start on the OBS 7.3. Not one, not two, but three. That one being my personal one. And what a beautiful sound. So let everybody hear. This 95 has 347,000 miles. And then you have this another 95. They're 4 doors, crew cab dualies, both 2-wheel drive. The white one here is a manual. It has 186,000 original miles, and this is actually my personal farm truck here. It's just a 96 250 2-wheel drive, and it has 321,000. These are the battery cables I built for this thing. This sucker will start no problem in the cold weather. And well, here we go. Let's give her a whirl. See here. Everybody loves a cold start on the OBS. Go, we got a 3 cold starts on 3 OBS's. It's not that cold in Florida here. It's only about 43 degrees in the current moment. 321,000.